Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you my favorite neck stretches. If you ever struggle with tight traps or just a stiff neck all the time, these are absolutely amazing. You are welcome, by the way. So what we're going to do is lock our shoulders down as much as we can and then lean our head to one side like that. Then from there, you just go up and down as if you were nodding yes, and just do that 10 times. It feels so good. Oh, hang on, no. We need a relaxing background, something like a forest. Yeah, that's better. So lean the head over to the side. So up and down 10 times. And then this is the kicker one. Oh, left and right, as if you're saying no. But make sure you keep that tilt in the head. Oh, this is so good. Oh, relaxing music as well. Oh, yes. So left and then side to side 10 times. And then repeat that on the other side. So make sure to lock those shoulders down and lean the head away like that. And then up and down 10 times. Make sure that shoulder doesn't start creeping up with you. Keep that locked down. Up and down 10 times. And left and right 10 times as well. Feels absolutely amazing, and it will really help to loosen off your neck and help with any symptoms that you may be having. Reasons why it may be happening could be due to your overall training, maybe missing something in your training to do with your shoulder training. So always make sure that you have a nice complete program that includes a push and pull in various different directions, and make sure that you're not doing movements incorrectly that would cause you to be using the wrong muscles. So overusing your traps and not using your lats enough would be a very, very common one. So give those stretches a go. Let me know how you get on.